Did you know that over 60% of the world's wealthiest people either create or retain their wealth using property as a vehicle? It's because of this simple fact that we've put together a premium workshop in order for you to be able to learn how to climb up the property ladder. Now, this workshop is for people who may have built a portfolio in the past but are considering how to take their property journey to the next level. We're going to be covering some creative property investing strategies, as well as be speaking about how to leverage and utilize the financial resources that are right in front of all of our eyes. Now, for many years, I've been tapping into these resources as well as these creative strategies in order to help myself walk away from my day job and support other people to become financially free through property. Now, I want to take this workshop as an opportunity to do the same for you. So click on the link in this website and you'll be able to grab a reserved seat onto the program, and I look forward to helping you climb up the ladder.